On October 20th at approximately 3:15 in the afternoon, Red Bluff Police received 911 calls regarding a man walking around Gilmore Road carrying a gun. One of the callers was an on-duty state parole agent who was in the area driving an unmarked vehicle. The following are excerpts from those calls.
911, state your emergency, please, medical or fire?
Yeah, cops. Some guy just walked through my yard with a gun.
Okay, and what's the address?
On Byron Avenue.
Okay, let me get you over to the Tama County Sheriff's Office. Stay in line.
State your emergency, police, medical, or fire?
Police. We believe that there is a white male, about 6 feet tall, blonde hair, slender. He is walking around with what appears to be a auto machine gun. Is that what you said? Yeah. And he's walking down Monroe, heading towards Elkhorn. We did not keep tabs on him, but he walked through our property, and we are not appreciative. And he's not even trying to hide it.
Dispatch, this is Quentin. How can I help you?
Hey, Quentin, this is Matt Ledbetter over at Pearl.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, I'm on Gilmore Road, and there's a guy walking down the road with an assault-type rifle. I can't tell if it's like...
Yeah, it sounds like we've had a couple calls about this already.
Oh, did you?
Subject was last heard to be over at Byron Avenue, so I transferred the call over to the county. But I'll have an officer respond out there anyway.
He just went into the backyard of 260 Mina.
The area where this incident occurred contains a patchwork of Red Bluff City and Tehama County Sheriff jurisdictions. Red Bluff Police dispatchers originally transferred the call to the Tehama County Sheriff's Office, but dispatched police units as well when it was learned that the armed man was walking through the area. Sergeant Bowen and Officer Deaver were the first to arrive where the armed man was last seen and started contacting witnesses in the area.
Can you respond to the area of 260 Gilmore? I received a 911 reporting of a WMA, 6 foot tall. I got blonde hair. My partner took one with dark colored hair. Gray shirt, blue jeans. He was walking in the area with some sort of semi-automatic weapon. He's last seen going in the backyard at 260 Gilmore.
How's it going? Everything okay here? All right. We got a report of a guy with a gun walking back over here. He was walking down the street and then walked behind this house.
It's Joe Dirk. He's his airsoft gun.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
I don't know. He's got it.
Okay. Rebel 24. We're going to be at 260. Come on. Is he your son, or what's the relation to you? Did you see it? Did you see him with a gun? Is it a real gun, or is it a fake gun? Or?
Yeah, it was real. It was real. He was going like this on his shirt.
Okay.
Even clothing. It's all black and it looks real down the street.
What's the guy's name?
Joe Dirk. Yeah, he went inside. I don't know.
Duder? Did he walk out?
He went out the front door.
He just went out the front door?
Yes.
As the armed man leaves the residence through the front door, Corporal Harper sees him walking down the street and can see he is armed with a rifle. The man points the gun at the officers and is shot by Corporal Harper. The man goes down but raises the gun a second time, at which time Sergeant Bowen fires. The man is incapacitated, and the officers quickly approach him and remove the rifle from him. Corporal Harper's body-worn camera was not activated during this incident. Officer Deaver's camera was activated and only captured a limited view of the events as they unfolded.
Bluff 96, I believe I'm out with him in the roadway, Gilmore by 350. He's got something in his hand. Bluff 196, code 33, subject armed.
Where's he at? Drop the gun! Got it. Use concealment.
Put it down! I have a long ride. Put it down!
Yeah. Hey, come here. Let's talk.
If this goes sideways, back up, back up. I can't see. Steven, are you code 4?
Shots fired, shots fired.
Go, 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 go!
Move your hands! Watch yourself, Jake. Drop the gun!
We're not behind cover. We have a cover here.
Put it down!
I have the long rifle. Or shotgun. We're advancing on somebody with a gun.
Let's talk!
If this goes sideways, back up, cover. I can't see. I can't see. Steven, are you code 4? Okay.
96, 1189, shots fired, shots fired.
Go, 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 go!
Red Bluff 96, this was shots fired, 1189.
With your hands!
Yeah, he was coming.
Immediately upon disarming the suspect, Red Bluff police officers and California Highway Patrol officers began emergency medical treatment on the suspect. Fire and ambulance personnel subsequently took over treatment and transported the suspect to the hospital. The armed man was identified as 36-year-old Red Bluff resident Joseph Thompson. Thompson was armed with a Sig Sauer MP 177 caliber semi-automatic air rifle. The realistic features of this air rifle make it virtually indistinguishable from the real AR-15 style rifle shown in this side-by-side comparison.
Hello, I'm Kyle Sanders, Chief of Police for the Red Bluff Police Department. What you just viewed is a summary of the officer-involved shooting incident that took place on October 20th with information as we know it at this current time. It is still quite early in the investigative process and there is still much to learn. For instance, at this time we still do not know what Mr. Thompson's intentions were or why he pointed his replica firearm at our officers. Mr. Thompson is still recovering from his injuries and we hope to have those answers in the near future. It is important that an external agency look at our actions, and that is why the investigation of this officer-involved shooting is being conducted by the Tehama County District Attorney's Bureau of Investigation. Additionally, a separate administrative investigation is being conducted simultaneously to review the officers' actions to ensure they were within department policy. We know these types of situations can be difficult and traumatic to those involved, anyone who witnessed it, and even those viewing video footage of the incident. Despite its content, I hope this video has been helpful in providing a better understanding of our officers' actions during this event. I am proud that our officers reacted with courage and compassion during this encounter, as their behavior demonstrated the professionalism that we have come to know and expect here at the Red Bluff Police Department. Additionally, I am appreciative of all the law enforcement and emergency services personnel involved in this incident, and I especially appreciate the tremendous outpouring of support our community has shown us subsequent to this incident. Thank you.